Playing Pokémon Go. The Pokémon Go Walker helps optimize egg hatching and candy collection without much movement. In this video, we'll explore 7 effective auto walker tools to enhance your Pokémon journey. Part 1. What is Pokémon Go Walker? Pokémon Go Walker refers to apps that simulate walking or movement in Pokémon Go, allowing players to hatch eggs, earn buddy candies, and interact with the game without physical movement. Part 2. Top 7 Best Pokémon Go Walker Apps. Top 1. Virtual Location Tool. Android, iOS. Get Pokémon Go enhancements with the Virtual Location Tool, a GPS spoofing app for iPhone and Android. It helps with rare candies, regional Pokémon, and easy egg hatching. Step 1. Begin by downloading and installing the Virtual Location Tool on your computer. After installation, launch the application and select Get Started on the welcome screen. Step 2. Connect your device via USB and let the tool detect it. Click Teleport Mode in the top right and enter your location or GPS coordinates. Step 3. The map pointer will adjust to your specified location. Click Move to set it as your current GPS. Step 4. Once the simulation is complete, a completed notification will appear. You can now play Pokémon Go with your new settings. Top 2. GPS Emulator. Android. Download the GPS emulator from the Google Play Store. Open the app, enter your desired fictitious location, and press the Start button. Click Apply to enable the location change. Top 3. P-Sharp. Android. Download and install P-Sharp from the official site. Sign in with your Pokémon Trainer Club account and activate it with a license key. Use the joystick for movement, enable auto walk, and set your speed or route. Your character will walk automatically. Top 4. Defit. Android. Download and install the Defit app from the Google Play Store. Open it and grant permissions. Then, open Google Fit and allow access. Start Pokémon Go and enable Adventure Sync. Exit Pokémon Go and return to Defit. Select Add and let it run. Top 5. Fake GPS Location. Android. Install the Fake GPS app on your Android device. Go to Settings, tap About Phone, and tap the build number 7 times to enable developer mode. In developer options, select Allow Mock Locations and set Fake GPS as your mock location app. Top 6. Location Faker. iOS. Download a compatible jailbreak tool for your iOS device to your computer. Follow the software instructions to jailbreak your iPhone. Once done, open Cydia and find the Location Faker app. Run Location Faker to modify your GPS location. Top 7. Spoofer. iOS. Install the app from a trusted source, not officially supported. Jailbreak your iOS device and connect it to your Pokémon Go account. Choose your in-game location, navigate without moving, and adjust walking speed for easier access to rare Pokémon and Pokéstops.